Yo, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Just putting announcements out now that we're live. Let's get to the charts. All right, so we did have NFP today. So NFP happened. This was the forecast, which is 110. Previous was 129. It came out as 57. Right, so way below, almost half, right, than the actual forecast. So what was the reaction to the market? The market went up with expectations being at 110, but it was obviously a lot lower. All right, so we could possibly see NASDAQ. Let's see exactly what we pinpointed. We got a 1 hour descending trend, 4 hour descending trend, 1 hour ascending trend. Looks like price is descending at the moment from this over here. Looks like it broke out, retested. Anaya Camel, what's up, bro? Just took profit on silver. Nice. Did you trade silver for NFP? And how did you do, bro? Was it good? So we got that retest, break and retest on the 1 hour trend. Let's just see how price reacts. I ideally would like price to shift downwards. So maybe a break on these trends, and we also have a fair value gap over here. 1 hour before. Nice, bro. 1 hour before NFP. Damn. Smart guy, bro. So we have this FEG over here. I'm pretty happy with shorts, especially if we break and retest this. Break and retest, have stop loss above, and we also have another FEG down below. So shorts might be the move. So something like break, retest, stop loss would be at this price point, just above the golden zone. First target would be the daily low, then this FEG, which would be close to 1.5. Then we can possibly look at this, maybe even lower at here, but let's just see how price reacts. 5 minute trend, time frame. All right, so break on this, and then we can go short on NASDAQ. Let's just get everything ready. How many of you guys here traded NFP today? If you did, how was the outcome? Did you guys make money, or was it a little bit of a struggle? All right, so nice break on the trend. Let's just see the next 5-minute candle. So we could possibly get entries in the next minute and 20 seconds. All right, so obviously trading the post NFP volatility is quite high risk, I would say. But we've had a pretty good trading week, I guess, from Monday and also last week, Thursday. So let's see if we can bag our third W this stream. We could also possibly see something along these lines of this. Maybe price coming down, right shoulder, and then further down. So in the next 10 seconds, we can look to grab an entry. Let's get that retest, then we can jump in. See here. Okay, let's grab entries at this price point. That would be essentially that bearish candle full. So shorts on NASDAQ. I put out all the stats quickly for you guys. So we on NASDAQ sells at 29937. Our stop loss is 30,084. Then TP1 29,810. TP2 would be 29,625. And TP3 we could look at 29465. We could have a possible TP4, right? Which would be open at 28952. Alright, that's our trade setup today for Thursday. Can we learn from you? Yes, you can for sure, bro. FNB charts. I like your name. It's like FNB, like the bank. And that's our trade position. Alright, so let me know if you guys are trading this. You guys can also obviously just watch. See how it plays out. Like I said, like post NFP is a little bit volatile, but you know, we're doing the most with what we can. So far this is a 1 to 3 trade setup. 1 2 3 trade setup. If we do have open TP, we could look at a 1 2 6. Okay, so close to a 1 2 3 and a 1 2 6, which is really good considering what we have. Hey Udo, yeah, we just entered, bro. So if you enter now, you would probably be in a slightly better position. Definitely still valid. I would only say it's not valid, obviously, if we hit stop loss. Then shorts wouldn't be valid. But for now, it's still good. Did anyone trade NFP? Because NFP I feel like is literally like a roulette spin, like you choosing black or red. How did your guys' NFP trade go? I didn't. Yeah, I also didn't, bro. I also didn't. The forecast is pretty crazy though. What was it? Forecast was 110. The actual amount that came out was 57. Hey Megatron, what's up? How you doing? So yeah, the forecast was pretty mad. I'm doing good. Super good. Megs, are you trading today? Or are you like observing? And Udo, did you enter? Are you in this trade with us or are you also like observing? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's go. Are you trading personal funds or broker account? I mean, personal funds or prop account? Brad, what's up, bro? How you doing? Personal at the moment, nice. Very nice. Yeah, let's just hope price keeps on rejecting below this 1 hour trend. Obviously, if we break through these, that'll be beautiful. And then I would most likely want us to move our stop loss to entry at this price point. Just over here. And guys, any predictions on Spain versus Austria? Like all the FIFA heads here. What are you guys thinking? Spain against Austria. I'm thinking 3-0 or 3-1. That's my bet on the Vault Markets prediction thing. Observing for today, thank you. Nice, Megs. Very, very nice. Let's go back to the 15. Let's just see how it's looking. Okay, 15 is still fine. 10 minutes on this candle. Note I'm a tennis fan. I'm also a tennis fan, bro. Come on, NASDAQ, give it to us. All right, so if we nice, you're watching Wimbledon. I haven't watched, bro. I in terms of like players, I like what's his name? Shapiro. Ben Shapiro, I think. The Australian guy Kyrgios, and obviously like OG Nadal. But I haven't been watching Wimbledon. I've been committing my time to all the FIFA games, bro. So like literally 1 a.m. games, I'm there. 2 a.m. games, I'm there. I do both like my predictions on the Vault Markets thing and also sport betting. Yeah, Kyrgios has got aura, bro. He's so sick. I actually bet on what was it? Paraguay against Germany. Believe it or not. Right now I kind of just want like a clear buffer for Spain to go through. Then I'll be very, very much happy. So if Spain wins today and Portugal beats Croatia, then it's obviously Portugal against Spain, which is going to be quite fucked. I mean, so bad, bro. They played horrendous. Even Netherlands and Morocco, like nuts, bro. It was actually really, really crazy. But yeah, Udo, if you don't have a team to support, bro, like I'll happily take you on as a Spanish supporter. So just root for Spain today. I think the game's at 9 p.m. South African time if you're watching. Udo, what the hell? Bro. That's crazy. Are you Austrian? Do you have like Austrian descent? Or is your girlfriend from Austria? Otherwise, like, there's no reason. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm from Netherlands. What if a lot? Sorry, bro. Bro, Netherlands had such a strong team. Smallville. That guy, Smallville. No, sorry, not Smallville. Somersville. Had such, like, he's so good. But yeah, they did not do well, bro. I don't think Morocco will last as well. Not really. I'm from Bavaria, which is very close to Austria. Bro, you guys should be competitors. Like, Bavaria could have been bigger if it wasn't for Austria. So fight for your land, bro. Like, be Spanish. Fight for your land. Pretty cool, the US advance. Yeah, I'm shocked by that as well, I'll be honest. I wasn't expecting the US to do well. It kind of makes me feel like it's a little bit rigged. The fact that Mexico and the US and Canada are through. Like all the host nations are through. It's a little bit sus, do you know? Horrible coach. US or Netherlands? Or both? Also, like the United States, they're like key player number 20, Berg something. Like he got a red card, so he's out, I think, of the next game. So it's just, yeah, Spain is always favorite. There you go, bro. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. You know, not only in trading, but also in football, bro. The trend is your friend. Uro, just this one time, bro. Just support Spain, okay? Genuinely, just this one time. like if Austria is out, then you have to be a Spain supporter. But just this one time, bro. Fight for your land. Are we starting World War III? Bro, I don't know if we should get into politics here. Oh, Uro, I appreciate you, bro. You're a top G for that. Fight for your land. Are we starting World War III? No, I do not condone violence, but I do condone what's it, responsible sport predictions, which would be Spain. Netherlands coach, I don't know. I can't think of who he is. But yeah, bro, not the fact that they lost against Morocco, like, is crazy. Or was it penalties as well, I think. I love to spend holidays in Spain. There you go, bro. The country's done so much for you. You know, decrease the cortisol. So, yeah. It's enough reason. Okay, at least this 15-minute is going below this 1 hour trend, so I'm pretty happy about that. If we can just get some huge volume coming down from the sellers, that would be highly appreciative. Netherlands used to be good when I was young, but they lost against Germany though. Bro, Netherlands was power. What, Robin, Van Persie, Kite. Yeah, they were crazy good, bro. Even Spain, I'm like concerned about Spain a little bit as well, I won't lie. Like, if anyone, I won't lie, France looks so power to win the World Cup. I'm not, like, genuinely, their team is just crazy. But that's just such a cop out as well. Norman 3 World Cups, 3 times nothing. Norway is also doing pretty well though, eh? Low key. Norway is playing against, I think, Brazil next, which will be a massive game. I think it's tomorrow or the day after. Okay. Boom. Boom. That's what we wanted, okay? So this is looking great. We're breaking all of these trend lines. This fair value gap that we wanted, we can close. This fair value gap is going to get filled. And then once price is here, we move SL to entry risk-free trade. Okay, but this is looking really good so far for shorts. Boom. Let's go, Naz. Okay, great. Breaking through that fair value gap. That's what we want, guys. That's what we want. We have 40 seconds on this candle. We'll probably get price to retrace back close to entry, right? Just to retest those trends and then continue heading down. And then hopefully we golden. Okay, 5 seconds on this. Let's just sweep over to the 5 quickly. Just want to see. Boom, lovely. All right, that's us. So move your stop loss to entry. I want it to be a risk-free trade right now. So stop loss to entry, boom. Let me just adjust on my end quickly. All right, and then TP1 is 29810. Oh, we hit TP1 as well, guys. So TP1 is hit, and your trade should be SL to entry. I'm just concerned about that retest on these trends, because then it would obviously tap us out. But if it taps us out, we stay out, right? But otherwise, TP1 hit so far. Hit. Hello. Okay, cool. Well, I'm just gonna film quickly. Post NFP took shorts on Nasdaq. TP1 hit already. Risk-free trade. Stop loss to entry. Lovely. All caught on stream. Let's go. I got a TP1. Thanks. Nice for a lot. Very good, bro. Yeah, the only like horrible thing about the TP1 is obviously the ratio isn't great. So obviously like probably wouldn't have made like too much. It just depends. But it's TP regardless. Lovely, all caught on stream. Let's go. Post NFP took shorts on Nasdaq. TP1 hit already. Risk-free trade. Stop loss to entry. Lovely, all caught on stream. Let's go. Post NFP took shorts on Nasdaq. 3, 2, 1. Enough for me. Nice, bro. Congrats, brother. Congratulations, bro. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. That would be really nice. TP2 would be what, 29625, 29625. Just like basically the bottom of our golden zone. Bro, we cooked, hey? Like, genuinely, so let's just hope we do go more into the blues. But 3 streams, 3 winning days in a row. It's really, really good. Again, if it taps us out, guys, we just stay out. We don't look for a re-entry. Otherwise, that will cause overtrading, revenge trading, looking to make more in the markets. And that's like how, you know, we start losing. So if it does hit your stop loss at entry, just make sure that you get out. Don't chase it again. Ballet, of course, bro. All right, that's me out at entry. Price hit my stop loss at entry, so we only really hit TP1. We only hit TP1, unfortunately. Would have been nice, you know, to hit at least TP3, but it's still a good day, especially considering post NFP. This is what I don't want you guys to get into, right? So, like price just showing that it might go further down, which it could be, right? It could for sure, but us re-entering is kind of like unnecessary, but also causes like issues later on down the line, right? So don't let this like give you FOMO and all of that jazz. Just let it be. We're TP1. Tomorrow come back for like another day. I think in terms of YouTube streams, you'll be back on Monday, and then next week Thursday again. So tomorrow I'll be streaming on my Discord. You guys can pull through on that. Otherwise, just enjoy your profits and have a good day, man. Do you guys have any questions regarding the analysis, the setup, or just, I don't know, life in general? You can shoot them through. We can like do questions for like the next, I don't know, 4, 5, 10 minutes. If there aren't any, then we can just log off. Cheers, Udo. Take care, bro. Don't forget the game, eh? 9 p.m., bro. 9 p.m. Let's go. Love it, bro. Absolutely love it. All right, guys. Please shoot through your questions if you asked on the stream. I would like to like chat a little bit to peeps. Would be nice. All right, guys. So I assume there's no questions. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Please like this video and also tap into Vault Markets. The link is below to create an account. To earn points, we do have a raffle coming on. Let me share it with you quickly. We have raffles happening over the course of this month, just like this. All right, so if you go onto my Instagram or even Vault's Instagram, you'll be able to see this post. There's some crazy prizes literally going from, geez, like $100 to probably $2,000, $3,000, right? And you don't need to do anything besides just have an account with Vault Markets. So click the link below and you guys can obviously enter that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next stream. All right, cool guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend and yeah, enjoy your profits. Let's go. See.